Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 26 Lake Lacoma Drive in Pittsford.
This is the ultimate architect-designed contemporary on gorgeous Lake Lacoma, nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Designed by architect John Faco, this architectural masterpiece has clean lines, complementing its modern design, all with a tranquil nature setting leading you to this stunning home.
This sophisticated and tranquil property features a designer kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops with a breakfast bar, and high-end stainless steel appliances. Open to a modern great room with beam ceilings, custom built-ins with a gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and parallel walls of windows with scenic nature views. The first floor also features a laundry room with an adjacent mudroom and powder room, plus a master suite with a vaulted beam ceiling, a private balcony, a full bathroom, and a spiral staircase to a walkout lower level, which could be a great office or bonus room. While the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, an updated bathroom, plus an office workstation with an artistic countertop, all with beautiful hardwood floors. There's no better way to entertain family and friends than with this lower-level sports media center, featuring an expansive bar, built-in movie theater with stage seating, incredible gym with floor-to-ceiling windows, and get this, your own private hockey rink or sport court. All with a guest room, deck access, and scenic views.
In keeping with the architectural design, this home features multiple garages, with room for up to 9 vehicles for the auto enthusiast. This home has multi-level decks to enjoy the peaceful setting and Lake Lacoma views. This property is situated on over 2 beautiful hillside acres, leading to over 130 feet of private waterfront on serene Lake Lacoma. Situated on a wooded private drive, this rear property has the ideal location, close to Bushnell's Basin and the village of Pittsford. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 26 Lake Lacoma Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!